everybody. So, yeah, I wanted to make this quick video because the markets are tanking. People are freaking out. People are wondering if they should sell now to buy back in cheaper later. I know for sure that we're going to see probably like the biggest dip so far, March 16th through the 18th. 16th is the Fed hike. Every single chart for the Dow, the Nasdaq, the S&P, crypto, there's something huge going to happen that weekend for sure. And I'm pretty sure it's going to be the crash. But I stopped DCAing into dollar cost averaging like 2 weeks ago, because if it's gonna get cheaper, then I want it cheaper. But the thing is, nobody can time the market. So what I did was I put in a whole bunch of buy orders, like limit buy orders. Like if Bitcoin ever drops to 20,000, I want some. If Ethereum drops to $700, I want some. If XRP goes back down to 20 cents, I want some. I have all the limit orders, and I don't have to worry about being glued to my phone or, coin market cap, trying to see what prices and when do I need to jump in. And, half of these exchanges, they're like always crashing. Coinbase, don't get me started. But I just wanted to go over these quick things because a lot of people are freaking out a little bit because they don't know exactly what all is happening and what they should do or what they shouldn't do. You have options. I just don't feel, I know the future is blockchain. I know the fourth industrial revolution is coming. So the great reset is coming. CBDCs are coming. I'm not getting out of my blockchain. Not my cryptos, not my tokens. Not gonna happen. And they remain on my hardware wallets. Y'all saw what Trudeau did to those Canadian truckers. Y'all better be careful out there. Don't keep your stuff in the exchanges unless they're ERC20, because they'll take half of it. The gas fees for Ethereum are ridiculous. I tried to buy some coin from crypto.com using USDC that was, on the ETH network. I was gonna spend $50 on this, token, and the gas fee was $659. Ridiculous. I only have my ERC20 tokens on the exchanges because of this. Like, I moved some of my chain link and half of my bag was gone by the time I was done moving it to my ledger. So pick whatever you invest in wisely. I'm staying away from Ethereum. My new projects are all focusing on Solana, Polkadot, Terra Luna, Atom. Very bullish on Atom. I thought about selling, but I don't know, something, it just doesn't seem right. Maybe it's part of me being a contrarian that everybody's doing it, so I probably shouldn't do it. And also, we don't know if whenever all of the markets, the S&P, the Dow, the Nasdaq, when they all crash and all the world economies kind of crash together, because they're all interlinked. They're not independent anymore. So when this happens, it's happening because they have to destroy the old financial system, the legacy system, and they have to bring in the CBDCs. Who's to say that crypto won't take off? Unlike all the fiat that's gonna die during this huge crash, you do whatever you want. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to do with your investments. I will tell you, I sold all of my stocks, like regular stocks, but I'm not touching my crypto. I thought about it. I really did. but it was too much of a hassle to move half of those ERC20 tokens back, and Ethereum gas fees. It just pissed me off. So like I said, I'm not messing with it with Ethereum anymore. But I wanted you guys to know that this crash has to happen. It's the only way for these governments to have their Agenda 2030 go through. It's gonna sound a little conspiracy-like, but you know, in order for you to have this new economy, this new set of CBDCs, you know, central bank digital currencies, you have to destroy the old legacy fiat way of doing business. I don't see how else they're going to do it except for war, fear-mongering, getting people to freak out. I mean, fear is very powerful. It's the only way that people can control, manipulate other people without questions, you know? So I expect this year to just see blood on the streets, because everywhere you look, it's bad news. It's all FUD, you know? I think this is a shakeout. I think that, you know, most retail investors, it's herd mentality. It's, you know, they're gonna do what everybody else is doing. They just follow the flow. My spidey sense is just something's not sitting right with me. But I expect, you know, everything bad that can possibly come out in the news to make people like freak out and sell everything because they think 1939 again, you know, during the Great Depression or whatever. They're gonna do what they do, you know, and these people have tons of psychologists to study how us people, the masses, you know, the apes, react to these news, like psychologically, mentally, and mentally, you know. All right, I missed you guys. Next video, I'm going to give a little bit of the news that's happening, and then I want to talk about some new projects that I really think are going to take off once this reset happens. So if you have any comments, any requests, if you want me to cover anything, just let me know, and drop it down in the comments. Hit like, subscribe, and it's good to be back.